Okay, we're up by the border, so I'm going to be using my iPhone today. Lots of tourists coming into Macau, and we're going to be kind of showing what it looks like. So stay tuned, and I'll tell you more details about the timing, you know, what time of year it is, and COVID, everybody's wearing masks, all that such. Okay, stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So I'm going to be filming on my iPhone today. So yeah, basically we're up by the border. I saw this one thing that there's another entry point called Chiang Mai, and I cannot locate it. It's not on Google Maps yet because it's brand new. But I just kind of wanted to film where we're at the border. So there's lots of kind of people still around all the time. I think it's something like 20,000 tourists are able to come into Macau every day from China, but China still remains closed, so if you're a foreigner you can't come in. But I heard that they just made a new one where foreigners that are in Hong Kong can come in, but nobody can come into Hong Kong except for people from Macau. So if you're a foreigner that went to Hong Kong and got stuck there a year and a half ago, you're able to come back now. For foreigners that are on blue cards and have families and have apartments here, things like that. But I don't think anybody would have left their apartment for a year and a half. But they're able to come back if they're in Hong Kong. But nobody can go to Hong Kong. Hong Kong and Macau are some of the strictest countries in the world for no foreigners allowed to come in during COVID. I think they're maybe the only country. I think there's lots of that around Asia, but anyways, Macau and Hong Kong are two of them. And this is all the people coming in, so I think there's up to 20,000 a day coming in from Mainland China, coming to Macau. But so yeah, this is what the border looks like. I won't get too close because I'm not sure. You can kind of see it all from here. And this is the traditional border gate. Somewhere there's Chiang Mai. I'm not exactly sure where that is, but yeah, this is the border gate itself. This is the traditional one. That's one that's been here the longest. So I think what we'll do is just film a little bit more, give you a little sense of it. This is where we're at right here, Plaza das Portas de Circo. Yeah, so here we are, Plaza dos. It's the border gate. These are all the people going back to mainland China. So this side is going into China. So they're tourists that came in. And it looks like I just got a notification that my battery's almost done. So my camera batteries are almost done, and this one is almost done too. So I guess it's gonna be a short video, but at least you got a little bit of sense of it. And you can definitely see people going back home now. From that side, they're going home. This one, they're coming in. So yeah, 20,000 tourists. There's 3 gates. There's Chiang Mai now. There's this one. There's also the ferry terminal. But yeah, you can't. If you're a foreigner, you can't come in though. So that still stays the same a year and a half later with COVID. Even if you have a blue card or apartment or a family, you can't come in. Blue card is a work visa. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this one from the border. So lots of tourists coming in. So, but only from mainland China is allowed at this time. A year and a half later after COVID started. So, okay.